Number 1. 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS396. Classic muscle with modern refinement. This 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS396 Sport Coupe is a masterpiece of American muscle, refreshed and updated to ensure an exhilarating driving experience. Dressed in a striking blue with silver stripes, this legendary classic commands attention wherever it goes. Beneath its aggressive stance lies an original 396-CU-DIN OHV V8 engine, delivering thrilling performance matched with a deep, unmistakable roar. Having undergone meticulous restoration, this Chevelle is in exceptional condition, boasting black vinyl interior that adds a touch of vintage sophistication. Equipped with power steering, front disc/rear drum brakes, and an upgraded cooling system, it offers a smooth yet commanding ride. Additional enhancements include aftermarket AC, special instrumentation, and a modern radio, blending classic charm with modern conveniences. The vehicle also features a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, aluminum intake manifold, and dual electric fans, ensuring peak performance and reliability. Currently listed at $32,000, this timeless muscle car is available in Spokane, Washington. With 31,583 miles on the odometer, it remains a cherished symbol of power, style, and automotive excellence. Whether cruising through city streets or making a grand entrance at car shows, this Chevelle SS396 is destined to leave a lasting impression. Number 2. 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Town Sedan, vintage elegance with timeless appeal. This 1941 Chevrolet Special Deluxe Town Sedan embodies classic American craftsmanship with an enduring presence on the road. Painted in a graceful marine blue, its sophisticated lines and well-preserved chrome details make it a standout in any collection. Powered by the original 216-CU-DIN OHV inline-6 engine, it offers reliable performance in a smooth, vintage driving experience. The tan cloth interior maintains its factory charm, complemented by a dashboard-mounted clock and a factory AM radio. This Special Deluxe retains its straight bodywork and solid floors, a testament to its careful preservation. While it shows surface rust on the underside, it has never sustained body damage, remaining a true representation of its era. The addition of an external sun visor adds a distinctive style reminiscent of early 20th century motoring. Currently listed at $8,500, this historic Chevrolet resides in West Barnstable, Massachusetts, with 21,109 miles on the odometer. Whether as a refined showpiece or a weekend driver, this Special Deluxe brings timeless elegance to the road. Number 3. 1966 Chevrolet C10, fully restored, timeless style and modern performance. This 1966 Chevrolet C10 short bed stands as a testament to classic truck design, meticulously restored to its former glory and beyond. With a crisp white exterior and tan interior, it seamlessly blends vintage charm with contemporary refinements. Beneath its sleek body lies a rebuilt 350ci V8 featuring an Edelbrock intake and 600 Edelbrock carburetor, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and a 12-bolt Posey rear axle with 3.73 gears, making for an exhilarating yet smooth ride. Loaded with modern upgrades, this C10 features power steering, power brakes, power windows, power locks, power seats, and even a push-button start. Additional highlights include dual exhaust, long tube headers, LED headlights and taillights, Dakota digital analog dash, IDIT tilt steering column, and a Kenwood stereo system. The custom center console, Yukon-sourced power seats, and relocated rear fuel tank further enhance this truck's functionality and comfort. With new shocks, springs, polished wheels and a lowered stance, 3-inch front, 5-inch rear, this C10 delivers an unbeatable combination of elegance and performance. Its wood-lined bed remains in top condition, and all body panels, lines and brightwork exhibit the care put into its restoration. The interior shows well, with functional amenities ensuring a rewarding driving experience. Currently listed at $31,000, this iconic pickup is available in Waconia, Minnesota, with 12,581 miles recorded. Whether cruising through town or making a statement at a car show, this fully restored Chevrolet C10 is ready for its next owner to enjoy. Number 4. 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe, vintage class with timeless performance. This 1937 Chevrolet Master Deluxe two-door sedan is a striking representation of pre-war automotive elegance, beautifully maintained and restored over the years. Finished in a deep green exterior with a tan interior, it radiates classic sophistication while delivering an authentic vintage driving experience. Powered by a 216 cubic inch inline-six engine and paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, this Chevrolet provides smooth, reliable performance with the unmistakable charm of a bygone era. Enhanced features include headers, a new carburetor, fog lights, a banjo steering wheel, dual exhaust, a functional heater and defrost system, ensuring an enjoyable ride in all conditions. The upholstered trunk, detailed engine bay, and solid frame further attest to the meticulous care this vehicle has received. The chrome accents and bodywork remain in excellent shape, presenting as a true collector's item ready for show or daily enjoyment. Currently listed at $32,000, this Master Deluxe is located in Merced, California, with 60,000 miles recorded. Whether admired for its aesthetics or cherished for its smooth handling, this classic Chevrolet remains a timeless icon in automotive history. Number 5. 1957 Chevrolet Corvette, a timeless classic with iconic performance. This 1957 Chevrolet Corvette two-door convertible embodies the golden era of American sports cars, offering a breathtaking blend of design and driving excitement. Finished in a striking Cascade green, its sleek contours and signature hubcaps with elegant spinners give it an unmistakable presence. The parchment interior enhances the luxurious feel, perfectly complementing its bold exterior. Under the hood, this Corvette is powered by a finely tuned 327 small block engine, known for its reliability and spirited performance. Paired with a smooth 3-speed manual transmission, it delivers an exhilarating drive that effortlessly connects the driver to the road. The inclusion of a matching hardtop ensures versatility, while the pristine white convertible soft top allows for open-air cruising at a moment's notice. Designed to turn heads and ignite passion, this Corvette is more than just a car, it's a legacy. Listed at $74,500, with 44,090 miles, this automotive masterpiece is located in St. Louis, Missouri, ready to be cherished by its next owner. Number 6. 1978 Chevrolet G20 Beauville, a classic van with solid performance. This 1978 Chevrolet G20 Beauville is a well-preserved example of vintage utility, boasting a 350 V8 4-barrel engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission for smooth and reliable performance. With 130,000 miles on the odometer, this 3/4-ton short wheelbase van has been cared for by its original owner and remains structurally solid. Finished in blue with a beige interior, this G20 underwent a frame-off restoration and includes upgrades such as new fuel pump, motor mounts, transmission service, and a new radiator and heater core. A refreshed suspension system, new shocks, stabilizer bushings, and 15x8 rally wheels wrapped in BFG radial T/A tires ensures a confident ride. Other refinements include restored bumpers, new mirrors, fresh marker lights, and a new spare tire rack. While the body could use a new coat of paint, it remains presentable with no severe rust issues, thanks to its original undercoating. The interior has been partially refurbished, featuring replaced seats, carpets, cargo mat, and all-new door gaskets. The dashboard remains uncut, ready for customization, and a new stereo is included but not installed. Currently listed at $10,500 in Plaistow, New Hampshire, this G20 runs smooth and straight, offering endless potential for a retro camper build or a dependable classic driver. Extras include original captain seats, steering wheel, carburetor, and factory purchase documents from 1978. Number 7. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS/SS Convertible, classic muscle meets modern performance. This 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS/SS Convertible Restomod is the ultimate fusion of iconic styling and high-performance engineering. Finished in metallic blue with silver stripes, it makes a bold statement on the road. Beneath the hood, a 6.0-liter LS2 V8, boasting 498 horsepower, is paired with a 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission and a Moser 9-inch rear axle, delivering breathtaking power and precision. Extensively restored in 2020 by LC Classics of Tempe, Arizona, this Camaro features a bare 4-wheel disc brake system with Hydroboost power assist, forged alloy Bose lateral G wheels, 18-inch front, 19 rear, wrapped in Nitto NT 555 Extreme ZR tires, and a custom stainless steel dual exhaust system with electric cutouts, allowing a transition from refined to aggressive at the touch of a button. The black leather interior offers an elevated driving experience, complete with bolstered bucket seats, vintage air climate control, cobalt instrumentation, and a Billet Specialties 3-spoke steering wheel. Custom touches include high-end speakers with a Kicker CXA 660.5 system, a 10-inch subwoofer in the trunk, and relocated main and accessory batteries behind custom-fitted covers. The black soft top is complemented by front and rear spoilers, tinted windows and fog lights, adding to this Camaro's unmistakable presence. Listed at $85,000, with 1,607 miles since refurbishment, this Leander, TX-based Camaro is a masterpiece of muscle, style, and modern performance, a dream ride for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 8. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette, classic Stingray with mechanical refinements. This 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe delivers an authentic Stingray experience, blending vintage muscle with recent mechanical updates. Finished in red, its bold stance is complemented by black leather upholstery, maintaining its iconic style. Under the hood, the reported original L48350-CU-DIN OHV V8 has received top-end work, including a new intake manifold, rebuilt carburetor, aluminum radiator, and twin electric fans, ensuring solid performance. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, this Corvette offers engaging driving dynamics, sending power to the rear wheels with thrilling responsiveness. Recent updates include new spark plugs, ignition wires, distributor, and an overhauled brake system, featuring a new booster, master cylinder, brake lines, and more. While the paintwork shows wear, the body remains solid, with fiberglass replacement bumpers adding durability. The black leather interior, though showing moderate wear, retains its factory radio, vacuum-operated headlamps, and a console-mounted aftermarket gauge. Riding on Goodyear tires mounted on American racing aluminum wheels, this Corvette is a reliable classic with untapped potential. Listed at $12,075, with 8,711 miles, TMU, this Phoenix, AZ-based Corvette is mechanically sound, ready for its next owner to enjoy or further restore. Number 9. 1954 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible, a rare and timeless classic. This 1954 Chevrolet Corvette Convertible is a rare gem, offering a glimpse into the early days of American automotive excellence. Finished in polo white, this roadster remains 85% unrestored, retaining much of its original character and charm. With only 54,612 original miles, it is one of the few remaining examples from the limited 3,230 units produced in this iconic color. Powered by a 235 CI Powerglide automatic transmission, this Corvette still runs and drives beautifully, proving its durability over the decades. The aftermarket hardtop, original beige soft top, and side curtains provide versatility, making it a perfect candidate for restoration, a custom rebuild, or even a resto mod. Although it has undergone a very old respray, this Corvette is a true collector's treasure, preserved in near-original condition, embodying the golden age of American roadsters. Listed at $64,995, it resides in Holbrook, New York, ready to be appreciated by a new owner who values history, style, and exclusivity. Number 10. 1965 Chevrolet Caprice, a stunningly original classic with only 58,000 miles. This 1965 Chevrolet Caprice sedan embodies the elegance and craftsmanship of Chevrolet's full-size luxury line. Finished in mist blue, it retains its matching blue interior, offering a timeless and refined aesthetic. With only 58,221 miles, this Caprice remains impressively original, showcasing its 396 big block V8 engine paired with a turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission for smooth power delivery. The plush bench seats, tilt steering column, and factory air conditioning ensure a comfortable ride, while power steering, power brakes, and power windows add convenience. The original vinyl roof, triple tail lights, and chrome details highlight its striking presence. The AM/FM radio, a first-year feature for FM in Chevrolet, is fully functional, enhancing the nostalgic feel. The well-preserved body remains straight, with doors that close beautifully, maintaining its factory fit and finish. This Caprice also retains 3 original T3 headlights, a rarity among classic sedans, further enhancing its authenticity. The headliner and carpeting remain in excellent shape, adding to the pristine showroom-like feel. Its added dual exhaust complements the refined yet commanding presence, ensuring that this Caprice sounds as good as it looks. Listed at $21,495, this well-preserved Caprice is located in Eastport, New York, ready to impress enthusiasts with its originality, beauty, and effortless drive. Number 11. 1937 Chevrolet C10 Custom Truck, a one-of-a-kind build with timeless style. This 1937 Chevrolet C10 Custom Truck is a true masterpiece, blending vintage charm with modern performance enhancements. Commissioned by a former Ford executive, this fully customized truck underwent an extensive frame-off restoration beginning in Detroit and finalized at Classic Auto Restoration Specialist in Fort Myers, Florida. Under the hood, this custom-built C10 is powered by a rebuilt 1983 Oldsmobile 307 V8 paired with an Olds automatic transmission, delivering smooth, dependable power. The Mustang front suspension, rack and pinion steering, and upgraded braking system provide impressive handling, while the S10 rear end ensures stability and control. Finished in matte black with gloss black accents, this truck exhibits a bold and refined aesthetic. Custom bodywork includes extended rear fenders to accommodate larger tires, modified running boards, and a front fender extension, giving it an aggressive stance. The red interior complements the exterior, featuring electric power steering, vintage air conditioning, new gauges, and an alloy radiator, offering both style and comfort. This C10 custom build runs exceptionally well, offering smooth acceleration, precise steering, and flawless braking performance. It has no rust, no odors, and a solid underbelly, ensuring longevity. The doors close securely without any rattle, a testament to its high-quality craftsmanship. Listed at $55,000, this Sarasota, FL-based truck is an incredible opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Ready for the road, the show, or a new home?